we're in the cab on the barge. Joel's out there. The sauna is floating right now. Joel, what do we got going on today?
We're transporting things.
We're transporting that
That thing
to where and how?
to a pretty fabulous residence on Lake Minnetonka, and how a barge.
A barge. All right, here we go.
The first 200 miles, easy. The last 5, sometimes a challenge. The last 100 feet, near impossible.
Here we are, ready for the lift. All right, guys, here we are. We're hanging out in the cab. Tony Schmidt, we're here with Jake, and we're in the cab on the barge. Joel's out there. The sauna is floating right now. Our first floating sauna.
Yeah.
Tony, how long you been doing this work, barging beautiful big things on Lake Minnetonka?
On Lake Minnetonka, I've been around for at least 35, 38 years. So.
Is it the first sauna that you've moved?
Yes, it is actually.
First one.
First
35
one.
years, 38 years,
It's
and
the nicest one too.
And the nicest one. We've done okay.
Yeah.
And it is so fun being here. We're traveling the lake. I mean, you sort of know this place like the back of your hand, right?
Yep. Yep. When I can see real well without a sauna in front of me.
Right,
No,
yeah,
it's
we blocked his view just a little bit here. Thanks for being a part of it. Thanks for helping out. And
Anytime.
you guys are just the pros, man.
Thanks.
It's awesome. Now the big lift. Get it on the dock. This will be the most fun.
Yeah.
Right, Jake?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Well, here we are. This might be the first floating Kuma stove. We're gonna confirm that with Daryl and Dale and Garrett and the Lampa manufacturing crew to see if this is the first floating Kuma. But look at this view, you guys. Joel, how about this view? Decent?
It's, it's adequate, I feel.
It'll do. All right, here we are. Barge made it. We're setting it up, getting our lines appropriate so it sits level. We've already turned it 90 degrees. And then we're gonna lift it up and set it right down over here so we have space. Joel's on the guy wire over this way so we can control the spin, control the move, and Tony is over there with the coolest remote control known to man. Remote controlled crane. Thing's amazing. So here we go. Kyle, what do you think so far?
I like it.
All right, she's on the dock. Now, she's a little off kilter. Joel, is this where we want it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right here.
I like angles. Don't you like angles?
Nice, modern angles, and adjacent to the steps.
You can just hop right out the door into the water.
You know what they call boring people?
What's that?
Squares.
Squares.
They don't call them triangles.
What are we gonna do now?
Pick it up again from a different direction.
Yep.
We are like right at the very edge of this crane's capacity, so it started beeping, and the beep is the "I'm about to drop this on you" signal. So you gotta heed the beep.
Heed the beep. The guys, they're moving the barge from one side of the dock to the other. And we're gonna lift this thing from through the birch tree here. That'll be sweet.
From over the birch tree.
Over the birch and through the wood.
Or something.
The final
sure.
6 feet we go.
Yeah.
Maybe. Here we go, final couple feet. We did it. What do you think?
It's cool.
That is?
No, but
It's quite the spot here. Lights on, details in. Joel, what did you think while it was hanging in the balance?
you know, it's not really the time for deep thoughts. It's really just the time for, you know, that needs to move over 6 inches, that needs to not hit that thing, listening for bad noises, stuff like that.
Don't break the dock or the sauna. All right, you guys, in its final home. What a day. So much fun. Barging and floating saunas. We learned about how heavy they are and how they can set right on the most perfect spot. And hey, we even got to jump in the lake afterwards. We stacked the wood pile for them and got them ready. So thanks for following along. Hey, hit the follow, the subscribe, share with somebody. We'd love to see in the comments, where would you put the most perfect sauna? Think of a spot. What's the unique spot? Will it be hard to get to? How do we get it there? Well, we'll figure it out. For anybody who's interested in the wellness practice that is sauna, we would love for you to keep joining and following along stories that are transforming people's lives. This is just a beautiful one right here in this great spot. And these folks are going to use it, and it will continue to serve them well and transform their lives and keep them healthy for a long, long time. So hopefully we'll see you on the next one. All right. Here we go.